Further temporary orders. We're right here. Okay, so further temporary orders. Okay, on January 23rd, the court heard the petitioner's first amended motion. Appearances were Sam and Felix. And jurisdiction, the court, after examining the record of hearing of evidence, the argument of counsel finds that all necessary prerequisites of the law have been legally satisfied, and the court has jurisdiction over the case of all parties. So this is, they saying, hey, we got the jurisdiction to oversee it. Child. Now, although I did show you guys a police report where Felix was swatted by his unborn son, the court finds that there is no child of the marriage of the petitioner and respondent, that none is expected. Wait a minute, judge. Now, look, this was drafted by Ian Pittman, which is her lawyer. So, of course, he would say there's no child of marriage. Okay, this is how these lawyers slip little things in there to kind of get you to like, hey, yeah, they're married. Like, nah, come on, bro. Come on. Okay, orders. The court finds the following orders are necessary and equitable. I hate the word equitable just from my divorce. That the parties agree, and it is ordered that the petitioner, which is Sam, will continue to have exclusive use of the BMW and the 2019 Tesla. All right, what else? Okay, what else? The temporary injunction granted below shall be effective immediately and shall be binding on the petitioner and respondent, on their agents, servants, employees, and attorneys, and on those persons in active concert or participation with him who received actual notice of this order, personal service or otherwise. The requirement of a bond is waived. So they're reiterating, ain't no goddamn bond, okay? Now, what is further ordered? It is ordered that the petitioner and respondent are enjoined, which means they cannot drive the McLaren, okay? And it shall be kept in good working condition. Now it's real. It's very real. It was very real before, but now it's like, hey, this is court. This is a new court order. I know the previously one said you can't drive it. Now we're double backing on it. Now the new stuff. It is ordered that Mr. Cow, XQC, Felix, cannot utilize funds in his possession to wager or gamble or play games of chance, pending further order of this court. This is serious because he likes to gamble and he likes to post it on Twitter. Now, technically, since this order didn't exist when he placed the bet, it's all fair game. Sure, it's a gray area. It looks bad, but in the court of law, this piece of paper did not exist. Therefore, it's all fair game. Okay? Utilizing funds in his possession to acquire drip, jewelry, or wearing appeal that is not reasonably necessary to support the respondent's minimum reasonable needs, pending further order of this court. God damn it. She don't want you buying no more Gucci. She don't want you buying no more watches. This is the shackles, guys. This is why I tell you guys, stay away from marriage. Assessing or any way interfering or changing the password, email address, or payment information. Look, the payment information or any information for any account that is application related to any property for which the petitioner has been awarded exclusive use and possession, including but not limited to the Tesla application. So no more playing with the goddamn password. That Tesla, for all intensive purposes, is in her possession, and your ass will continue to pay her electricity bill. And associated, with the Tesla, the petitioner further pending this court order. Okay, now the relief is not granted. Okay, this is a big one. I'd much rather pay the goddamn Tesla bill than goddamn pay her lawyer fees or pay any goddamn spousal support. So it is ordered that all other relief requested in the first amended motion for temporary orders and request for temporary injunctions is not expressively granted, is denied. Okay, so that spousal support, donezo. That lawyer fees, donezo. That $500K bond, donezo. And agreed temporary orders signed on December 13th will remain in full effect. The duration. Now, look, this is where he add the spice on it. He add the spice. Ian Pittman been adding spice to all goddamn day. These temporary orders shall continue in force until the signing of the final decree of divorce. He got to say that. He got to put that final decree of divorce up in there, or until the order from the court, because he has to continue purport, even if it's mine, know that they were never married. Okay, the judge will sign it. It's probably already been signed, but it takes a while for me to get the legal fees, and I wanted to go live with it tonight. So there we go with that. Also, look, Ian Pittman signed already. That's Sam's lawyer, and Super Lawyer signed already. So this is just waiting on the judge's orders, which he likely could have signed off already. Okay, this is certified. This was sent on 5/5. So look, it was sent on 5/5. I didn't get it till like 5/8 or something Monday, and this is where we at. So now you've gotten your full XQC update. If you see him gambling, guys, do me a favor. If you see him gambling, tell us to stop. If you see him buying clothes on jewelry, tell us to stop. If you see him looking at the goddamn McLaren, tell his to stop. Okay, we are so close to the end game. End game, the court order that I saw was for June 9th. Their trial did get pushed back, but some strange reason it's not in here. Like it's gone now. Because I saw it. I tracked this thing.